Hi there, today I'm making Scotch eggs. I was first introduced to Scotch eggs in England, and I pretty much think they're a British Scottish thing, but they're just basically a hard-boiled egg that's covered in sausage, and it's usually fried and usually has breadcrumbs and flour on it, which are pure carbs. I'm going to make them in my brand new air fryer because this is the first time I'm using it. I'm changing the recipe. Instead of breadcrumbs, I substituted pork panko. These are just pork rinds that have been ground up, no carbs. And instead of flour, I'm using almond flour, which has a lot of fiber and very few carbs. The other thing you're gonna need is a beaten egg. I'm making 4 Scotch eggs today. And I'm using sweet chicken Italian sausage. You can use any sausage. If you don't use one that's got seasonings in it, then you're gonna wanna season the sausage. Open my sausage and I'm gonna take it out of the casings. I just take my sausage and I cut a line in them on the top. And that makes it a lot easier than squeezing it out of the ends. That way I can open it up and it'll all come out a lot easier. Turned it on the preheat cycle. It's kind of loud and it does that for 5 minutes. So I figured that should be enough time for me to make my eggs. I do this when I make hamburgers too. I cut the meat 4 ways and then I can make sure each hamburger has the same amount of meat. Otherwise, if you just grab a hunk and start to make your hamburger, that one might be big and then you only have a little bit left and you don't have enough for 4. Roll it in a ball. Kind of sticky and hard to work with, but I think that's probably good for adhesion to the eggs. My hard-boiled egg, of course it's organic, pasture-raised, treated humanely. Just shoved it in the middle, and then I'll roll it again. I sort of want it to be like a nice ball, not a big glob. And then I'll kind of make it look like an egg, you know? Make it more oval. Set that one down. Take my next one. Insert my egg. Wrap it around. I want to make sure the whole egg is covered. And then just start making like a meatball. Make the meatball into an oval. They're all done. They're all wrapped in sausage. Next, so that you could see how big these Scotch eggs are, I put in a medium-sized egg in there. And I'm going to put them in my kasori for 15 minutes on 350. Right now it's preheating. The air fryer is just about to go off, meaning I can put my Scotch eggs into the air fryer to cook, and they'll cook for 15 minutes. Look at those! I never thought I could do that. They look amazing. Oh, I'm so excited. And they're so crispy and beautiful on both sides. Oh, this is exciting. As my beautiful British mother-in-law would say, I'm ever so chuffed with myself. They're so crispy and beautiful. Sorry, but I had to take a bite. Oh my gosh, it's so good. The Trader Joe's chicken sausage, I looked at the ingredients and all it is chicken and spices. and there's 1 carb per link. And I think that carb is in the casing, and we didn't use the casing, so no carbs there, no carbs in the egg. And that's it, that's all we use. So that's a truly low carb, fried looking, fabulous, crunchy meal. So I hope that gives you something new to make in your air fryer. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.